everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Isabel, and in today's video I want to talk to you guys about how to introduce yourself in English and to make an introduction. So now you're probably thinking, introducing yourself in English is so basic. Well, yeah, it is basic, but it's really important that you know how, where, at what setting you're introducing yourself. So are you ready to learn English with me? I'm going to go over 5 ways of introducing yourself and making an introduction. First, we're going to start off with the basic, formal, and the informal way. So in the formal way, you would say, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And guys, make sure you don't mix these up. You don't want to say good morning at night or say good evening in the morning. Make sure you have a notepad and a pen and you're writing these down. Second would be informal. Informal way would be, hi, hey, what's up, yo. No, I'm just kidding. That was a joke. You don't say yo. I mean, maybe some people say yo if they're really friends for a really long time and they're guys. But normally it's very unpolite and you just don't say it either to your friends or anyone really. So then second, you can introduce your name. You can say, hi, my name is Isabel. Or you can say, I'm Isabel. Or I am John. My name is John. Next, you could talk about your country and location. You can say, I'm from Canada. I live in Canada. I'm from Paris, or I'm from France. Or you could say, I live in New York, or I live in London. Or if you're born in another country and raised in another, you can say, I was born in Italy, but now I'm living in France. Or I was born in Italy, I was raised in the United States, but now I'm living in Turkey. Or you could say, I live in Istanbul, or I live in London. Talk about the company you work for and your position. And you could say, I work at Amazon, or I work for Amazon. I work as a sales associate at Zara. I work at an accounting firm. I'm an accountant. I'm a teacher. I'm a police officer. Or you could say, I work in sales, or I work as a sales director for such company. After you finish talking about the company and your position that you work for, then next you could talk about your qualifications. Your qualifications would be, I have my bachelor's degree in science. I'm currently going to University of Toronto. Or you can say, I take courses 3 days a week in art. Or my major is in biology. So these are the things that you could talk about your qualifications, and obviously it depends on what your qualifications are that you can talk about. A lot more that you can talk about, but in today's video we're only covering the 5. And if you have any questions or if you are confused about anything that we talked about, please do leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, see you then.